Hey wedding filmmakers, Bobby here from Wedding Film School, and in this video I'm going to give you 8 things that you absolutely must have as part of your plan for a successful wedding video business. Now look, I get it, this isn't sexy, all right? We'd all rather look at gear, but all 3 of us here at Wedding Film School have been in business for 12 to 15 years, and I'm telling you, this stuff is important. So take an afternoon, sit down, figure this out. I promise you will be glad that you did. And this is going to be a high-level overview. And if you want to really dive into this, I've got great news for you. This was the topic of this week's episode of our podcast, The Wedding Film School Show. So to get way more in depth on these topics and how to do them, go listen to that episode, which you can find up here or on the podcast platform of your choice. But if you like these easy to digest recaps like this, let us know because we're trying something new here. So leave a like or share and hit us in the comments if you found this helpful. All right, let's do it. So in going over the 8 things that you need for your business plan, up first is customer segments. Who are your customers and what are their needs? And you'd actually be pretty surprised at who that is. I'm gonna give you a hint here, it's not just brides. Up next is value proposition. What problem are you solving? How are you creating value? And when you figure out your customers, you're gonna find there are lots of ways to provide that value. Next is customer relationships. How are you building and maintaining those relationships with your customer segments? Fourth is revenue streams. How and where are you diversifying and how you are making this an actual profitable business? Next comes key resources. What goes into executing and maintaining the previous points? What do you need in order to deliver on this business model? And what are you delivering? Next is productions and processes. How do you make your resources? And paying special attention on how to cater it to your value proposition and to do it efficiently. Next is key third-party partnerships. Who or what are you including in your business model to better help you run the various aspects of your business? And finally, cost structure. How much does what you are doing cost to make? What is your actual hourly rate? This is how you build a business that is not only successful at face value, but actually successful and profitable long term. So there it is, guys, a high level overview of the things that you absolutely need to figure out as part of your business plan as a wedding videographer, or really any creative business for that matter. We've got tons of great content here on the Wedding Film School channel, uploading multiple times per week between our tutorials and gear reviews, our weekly podcast, The Wedding Film School Show, and our weekly live film critiques. So be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next video.